So here's what you guys are going to do. Some of you are going to be asked to join Google Meets. So that's where you guys are going to meet with me, Miss Martinez, maybe both of us, just one of us, a couple of other people, just you. It doesn't matter. There's going to be either a couple people, some people, just one person, all in this meeting with you. And the reason we're doing this is because we want to talk about your work, talk about what you're doing well, talk about some of the things that you need help in. So how are we going to do this? On Google, on your Google Classroom, when you get into your Google Classroom, you're going to see these 9 dots in an array. You're going to click it, and you're going to go down to Meet, and you're going to click that. It's going to ask you to join or start a meeting. Now you're going to click that, and you might be given a code. If you have a meeting code, which if I'm asking you to meet with me or Miss Martinez is, you'll see on the Google Stream, on our Gmail stream, the code. You're just going to copy, paste it in. It's going to look like a couple letters with a couple dashes, kind of like that. And you're going to click continue. Now this is a fake code, so I'm going to actually delete this. All right. And I'll show you where I actually get the code right here. See this right here? That's the code. So you're going to wind up somehow getting that code either from me or Miss Martinez, and you're going to join our Google chat. Now, when I join like this, I look like this, so I can see myself. So you guys will be able to see yourselves. Over here at the bottom, I hope that you can see it. Over here at the bottom, it says present now. What me and Miss Martinez might ask you to do is present your work so that we can see it. Now, how does that work? Present now, all you have to do is click it, your entire screen. And see right here, it shows like a little piece of my screen. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to click share. What that will do is allow me or Miss Martinez to see your screen. So if I toggle over to something, if I say, wow, I'm having a really hard time with the writing, Miss Martinez, can you look at it? Sure. I'll click on one of the things. This is something that I'm doing for my schooling. So you guys can now see my stuff that I'm working on. And me and Miss Martinez can tell you what to do to help you better do whatever you're doing. And no matter what you pull up, if it's another thing from the internet, or if it's your writing, or if it's your Google Classroom, we'll be able to see what's on your computer. In order to stop us from seeing it, all you have to do is click stop presenting. And boom, you're back to you. Over here, you can type questions because we may ask you to mute yourself. If there's 5 people in the chat, you don't want 5 people talking at the same time. It'll be confusing. So if we type mute yourself, you'll see it in the chat. We will be able to mute you. If you want to unmute yourself, you just go over to this camera. So I'm going to mute myself. Now, people on the other end can't hear me. Now I unmuted myself. My microphone is on. You can do the same with the camera. Turn your camera on or off. If we're chatting with you, you probably need your camera on so that we can see whatever you're working on. And if you're doing something on paper and you want us to take a look, all you have to do is hold it so that you can see my phone, right? Sometimes you guys do this, and I actually can't really read anything. So if we are asking you to see it, just do this. See, I can still see. If I look underneath, I can still see myself. And if I ask you to move it this way or this way we can help you with whatever you're working on. And I think that's just about it. And in order to end it, all you have to do is click leave call. And then you X out. And boom, you're back to Google Classroom, just like that. So when we ask you to meet, watch this video first. If you need some help beforehand, it's only 4 minutes, 5 minutes long. And then you can go straight into the meet with us. All right? And we will post on the stream who we want to meet with. So click on the stream and look for your name. It'll say, Miss Holleran is hosting a Google Meet. I would like these students to be in with me. And Miss Martinez will do the same, and she'll post the code, and I will post my code. We'll have different codes so that you guys can get on with us and chat with us about what you need help on or what we're noticing about your work that we think you need to work on, okay? Thanks, guys. See you soon.